Guava. Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. My co-host this week is Anxiety. This week is Brazil, and we're going to make Bolo de Rolo? Bolo de Rolo. Bolo de Rolo. Bolo de Rolo. I think I'm excited to try it. This is actually a good recipe for using eggs though. If like us and you have chickens and you know, they lay more eggs than you can keep up with. There's plenty of eggs. There's 9 eggs in this recipe. So, you know, also co-host a bunch of eggs. Also co-host also co-host a crap ton of butter. So yeah, this is a super healthy recipe. Oh my god. Let's do this. How am I supposed to fold anything into this? What the fuck is this? This is folded in, David. Just oh, I'm gonna have a meltdown. Is it right? Probably not. Okay? Probably not. Let's be honest with ourselves. So I'm supposed to put about a cup of batter. I'm supposed to pour about a cup of batter. Nothing's gonna pour. This is not a pouring batter. Okay, so we're just gonna plop it. Okay, it's about a half a cup of a plop. We'll just eyeball that. Okay, so now I get to try to spread this. Okay, this is going really great. I'm gonna have a meltdown. I can tell. Lady I saw do this did it right in the pan. So let's do that. We made it. I thought that I was actually going to lose my crap. But here it is. It doesn't have as many layers as it doesn't have as many layers as it's supposed to, which is kind of hard to fathom because it was getting hard to manage. But we will see. It smells good. I'm sure it tastes good. I'm worried that's gonna be a little sweet though. Like, I didn't put as much sugar as it was supposed to because it's supposed to have sugar on each layer. Wasn't doing that. It's really good. All right, all right. This is definitely going to work with my wife. I was going to have a full-on breakdown if I didn't like it. But it's all good. Guava's really good. I was trying to ask my wife what guava tastes like, and she was just like, it tastes like guava. It does. It tastes like guava. I can't think of anything that tastes like. First one, best one? Oh no. I kind of want to cry. I have simultaneously been excited and also dreading this one. Right now, mostly just dreading it. Dragon's beard candy. I'm not ready. So I guess next week, co-host also anxiety. Overall, I think this was a success, even though it was very, very worrying at times. But I think it came out well. I'm gonna get this all wrapped up so that my wife can take it to work, and that's it. Pray for me. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. That's it for me. Hope you guys are doing well. And I'll see you next Tuesday. Oh, I got my vaccine yesterday. That was fun. No crazy side effects. I did wake up with Jolene stuck in my head though. So, you know, maybe that was part of mine. Dolly Parton. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Have you ever met anyone named Jolene? I haven't. I think Dolly Parton killed them all. All right, goodbye. Okay, bye. Bye.